In the mystical realm of spiritual connections, few concepts are as profound and transformative as that of twin flames. Twin flames represent the ultimate soul connection, a reunion of two halves of the same soul, destined to meet and merge in a dance of divine love and unity. This journey, while deeply spiritual, also manifests in the physical realm, often leading to significant changes in one's body. Dolores Cannon, a renowned hypnotherapist and past life regressionist, has shed light on many aspects of this journey, providing insights that resonate with those experiencing twin flame phenomena. In this video, we will delve into the body changes associated with the twin flame journey, drawing upon the wisdom of Dolores Cannon. We will explore the spiritual significance of these changes, how they manifest physically, and what they signify on the path of spiritual growth and union. This journey is as much about understanding and embracing these changes as it is about navigating the complex and often challenging emotions that accompany such a profound connection. The connection between twin flames transcends the physical plane, yet it significantly impacts the physical body. Dolores Cannon's work has helped us understand that these changes are not merely coincidental, but are deeply intertwined with the spiritual evolution that twin flames undergo. When twin flames meet, their energies begin to align, creating a powerful synergy that can lead to various physical symptoms. These changes are often seen as a form of spiritual awakening, where the body adjusts to the higher frequencies of the soul connection. As this alignment occurs, one might experience a range of physical sensations and changes. These changes can include sudden bursts of energy, feelings of warmth or tingling, and even physical pain or discomfort in areas such as the heart or solar plexus. These sensations are often a result of the intense energy exchange between the twin flames. Understanding these changes can help in navigating the journey with greater awareness and ease. For example, you might find yourself experiencing sudden bursts of energy that seem to come out of nowhere. These bursts can be both exhilarating and exhausting, leaving you wondering what's happening to your body. This surge of energy is often a result of the twin flame connection, where the merging of energies creates a powerful flow of life force. It's important to recognize these moments as part of the spiritual journey, allowing yourself to ride the waves of energy with grace and understanding. Feelings of warmth or tingling are another common physical manifestation of the twin flame connection. This can occur in specific areas of the body, such as the hands, feet, or heart. This sensation is often a sign of energy movement and alignment, indicating that your body is adjusting to the higher frequencies of the twin flame connection. Embracing these sensations with an open heart can lead to deeper insights and a more profound connection with your twin flame. Physical pain or discomfort, particularly in areas like the heart or solar plexus, can also be a part of the twin flame journey. This pain is often a result of old energy being released and new energy being integrated. It's a sign that your body is undergoing a transformation, aligning with the higher vibrations of the twin flame connection. Understanding this process can help you navigate the pain with compassion and patience, allowing yourself to heal and grow. It's essential to recognize these body changes as part of the spiritual journey rather than mere physical anomalies. Embracing them with an open heart and mind can lead to deeper insights and a more profound connection with your twin flame. Emotional and psychological changes. The twin flame journey is not just about physical changes. It also involves significant emotional and psychological transformations. Dolores Cannon's teachings emphasize the importance of these changes in achieving spiritual growth and union. As twin flames merge their energies, they often experience heightened emotions. These can range from intense love and joy to deep sadness and fear. The emotional roller coaster is part of the process of shedding old patterns and aligning with the higher self. These emotional changes are essential for personal growth and the eventual union with the twin flame. Imagine feeling an overwhelming sense of love and joy that fills your entire being, only to be followed by a wave of sadness or fear. These emotions can be intense and confusing, leaving you questioning what's happening to your heart and mind. This emotional turbulence is a natural part of the twin flame journey, where the merging of energies brings up deep-seated emotions that need to be acknowledged and released. Psychologically, one might experience shifts in perception and awareness. This can include a heightened sense of intuition, increased empathy, and a deeper understanding of oneself and others. These changes are part of the process of aligning with the twin flame's energy and the spiritual journey toward unity. For instance, you might find yourself becoming more intuitive, sensing things before they happen, or understanding people's emotions without them saying a word. This heightened intuition is a sign that your connection with your twin flame is deepening, allowing you to tap into the higher realms of consciousness. Embracing this gift can lead to profound insights and a more meaningful connection with your twin flame and the world around you. Increased empathy is another psychological change that often accompanies the twin flame journey. You might find yourself feeling more deeply connected to others, understanding their struggles and joys on a deeper level. This empathy is a result of the twin flame connection, where the merging of energies creates a deeper bond with the collective consciousness. It's important to use this gift with compassion and understanding, allowing yourself to connect with others in a more meaningful way. Embracing these emotional and psychological changes with compassion and patience is crucial. It's important to allow oneself to feel and process these emotions rather than suppressing them. This emotional purging is necessary for healing and moving forward on the twin flame journey. Spiritual awakening and ascension. The twin flame journey is intrinsically linked to spiritual awakening and ascension. Dolores Cannon's insights into this process provide valuable guidance on understanding and navigating these profound changes. Spiritual awakening involves a shift in consciousness where one becomes more aware of their true nature and connection to the divine. This awakening is often accompanied by various physical and emotional symptoms as the body adjusts to the higher frequencies of the soul. Imagine waking up one day with a newfound sense of clarity and understanding, feeling more connected to your true self and the universe. This spiritual awakening is a significant part of the twin flame journey, where the merging of energies creates a deeper awareness of the divine. Embracing this awakening can lead to profound insights and a more meaningful connection with your twin flame and the world around you. Ascension, on the other hand, is the process of raising one's vibrational frequency to align with the higher dimensions. This process can be challenging, as it often involves letting go of old beliefs, habits, and patterns that no longer serve one's highest good. The twin flame journey accelerates this process, as the intense energy exchange between the twins pushes them toward their highest potential. During this phase, one might experience symptoms such as fatigue, dizziness, and changes in sleep patterns. These are signs that the body is adjusting to the higher frequencies. It's important to listen to one's body and give it the rest and care it needs during this time. For instance, you might find yourself feeling unusually tired, needing more rest than usual. This fatigue is a sign that your body is undergoing a transformation, adjusting to the higher frequencies of the twin flame connection. It's important to honor your body's needs, allowing yourself to rest and recharge as needed. Dizziness and changes in sleep patterns are also common symptoms during the ascension process. You might find yourself feeling lightheaded or experiencing vivid dreams that leave you feeling unsettled. These symptoms are a result of the body's adjustment to the higher frequencies, and it's important to navigate them with patience and understanding. Embracing the spiritual awakening and ascension process with an open heart and mind can lead to profound transformation. It's a time of deep inner work, where one sheds the old and embraces the new, aligning with their true self and the twin flame connection. Healing and integration. Healing is a crucial aspect of the twin flame journey. Dolores Cannon's work emphasizes the importance of healing old wounds and integrating the lessons learned along the way. The twin flame connection often triggers deep-seated wounds and unresolved issues from the past. These can include childhood traumas, past life memories, and karmic patterns that need to be healed for the union to take place. The intense energy exchange between twin flames acts as a catalyst for this healing process. Imagine old wounds and unresolved issues rising to the surface, demanding your attention and healing. These wounds can be painful and challenging, but they are a necessary part of the twin flame journey. Embracing these wounds with compassion and understanding can lead to profound healing and a deeper connection with your twin flame. This healing process can manifest in various ways, including physical symptoms such as headaches, body aches, and digestive issues. These are signs that the body is releasing old energy and making way for new, higher vibrations. Emotional healing is equally important, as one needs to release old hurts and forgive oneself and others to move forward. For example, you might find yourself experiencing headaches or body aches that seem to have no physical cause. These symptoms are often a sign that your body is releasing old energy, making way for new vibrations. It's important to listen to your body and provide it with the care and rest it needs during this time. Digestive issues are another common symptom of the healing process. You might find yourself experiencing changes in appetite or digestive discomfort. These symptoms are a result of the body's adjustment to the higher frequencies and the release of old energy. Navigating these symptoms with patience and understanding can help in the healing process. Integrating these lessons involves acknowledging and accepting the experiences and emotions that arise during the journey. It's about understanding the purpose behind these challenges and using them as stepping stones towards spiritual growth and union with the twin flame. Practices such as meditation, energy healing, and journaling can be beneficial in this healing and integration process. They help in clearing old energy, gaining insights, and aligning with one's higher self in the twin flame connection. For instance, meditation can help in calming the mind and connecting with the higher self, allowing you to gain insights and clarity on your twin flame journey. Energy healing practices such as Reiki can help in clearing old energy and aligning with the higher frequencies. Journaling can be a powerful tool for processing emotions and gaining insights, allowing you to reflect on your journey and integrate the lessons learned. The physical symptoms experienced during the twin flame journey can be intense and overwhelming. Understanding these symptoms and knowing how to navigate them can make the journey smoother and more manageable. Common physical symptoms include fatigue, headaches, body aches, and changes in appetite and sleep patterns. These symptoms are often a result of the body adjusting to the higher frequencies of the twin flame connection. It's important to listen to one's body and provide it with the care and rest it needs during this time. For example, you might find yourself feeling unusually tired, needing more rest than usual. This fatigue is a sign that your body is undergoing a transformation, adjusting to the higher frequencies of the twin flame connection. It's important to honor your body's needs, allowing yourself to rest and recharge as needed. Headaches and body aches are also common symptoms during this process. You might find yourself experiencing headaches that seem to come out of nowhere, or body aches that make you feel uncomfortable. These symptoms are often a result of the body's adjustment to the higher frequencies and the release of old energy. Navigating these symptoms with patience and understanding can help in the healing process. Changes in appetite and sleep patterns are another common experience during the twin flame journey. You might find yourself feeling hungrier than usual or losing your appetite altogether. Your sleep patterns might also change, with periods of insomnia or needing more sleep than usual. These changes are a result of the body's adjustment to the higher frequencies, and it's important to navigate them with patience and understanding. Staying grounded is crucial during this phase. Grounding practices such as walking in nature, deep breathing exercises, and connecting with the earth can help in balancing the energy and alleviating some of the physical symptoms. Hydration is also important, as it helps in flushing out toxins and maintaining the body's energy balance. For instance, taking a walk in nature can help in grounding your energy and connecting with the earth, allowing you to feel more balanced and centered. Deep breathing exercises can help in calming the mind and body, alleviating some of the physical symptoms. Staying hydrated is also important, as it helps in maintaining the body's energy balance and flushing out toxins. Nutrition plays a significant role in managing these symptoms. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can provide the necessary nutrients and energy to support the body during this transformation. Avoiding processed foods and staying hydrated can also help in alleviating some of the discomfort. For example, incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet can provide the necessary vitamins and minerals to support your body during this transformation. Whole grains can provide sustained energy, helping you navigate the physical symptoms with more ease. Avoiding processed foods can also help in reducing inflammation and discomfort, allowing your body to heal and adjust to the higher frequencies. Embracing the journey with compassion. The twin flame journey is a profound and transformative experience that requires patience, compassion, and self-love. Embracing the journey with an open heart and mind can lead to profound spiritual growth and a deeper connection with one's twin flame. It's important to be gentle with oneself and acknowledge the challenges and changes that come with the journey. Practicing self-care and self-compassion can help in navigating the ups and downs of the twin flame path. This includes taking time for oneself, engaging in activities that bring joy and relaxation, and seeking support when needed. For instance, taking time for yourself can help in navigating the emotional and physical changes with more ease. Engaging in activities that bring joy and relaxation, such as reading a book, taking a bath, or spending time in nature, can help in nurturing your mind and body. Seeking support from loved ones or a spiritual mentor can also provide valuable guidance and comfort during this journey. Connecting with the twin flame on a spiritual level can also help in alleviating some of the challenges. Practices such as meditation, visualization, and energy healing can help in strengthening the bond and aligning the energies. It's important to remember that the twin flame journey is a shared experience, and both individuals are working towards the same goal of union and spiritual growth. For example, meditation can help in calming the mind and connecting with your twin flame on a spiritual level, allowing you to align your energies and strengthen your bond. Visualization practices can help in creating a deeper connection with your twin flame, allowing you to visualize your union and align with your higher selves. Energy healing practices such as Reiki can help in clearing old energy and aligning with the higher frequencies, allowing you to navigate the journey with more ease. Embracing the journey with compassion and understanding can make the process more manageable and rewarding. It's about trusting the process and allowing oneself to be guided by the higher self and the divine. For instance, trusting the process can help in navigating the challenges with more ease, allowing you to surrender to the journey and embrace the changes with an open heart. Allowing oneself to be guided by the higher self and the divine can provide valuable insights and guidance, helping you navigate the journey with more clarity and understanding. The twin flame journey is a path of profound transformation and spiritual growth. The body changes experienced during this journey are a testament to the deep connection and alignment with one's twin flame. Drawing upon the wisdom of Dolores Cannon, we can understand and embrace these changes as part of the spiritual awakening and ascension process. Navigating the physical, emotional, and psychological changes with compassion and self-love can lead to a deeper understanding of oneself and the twin flame connection. It's a journey of healing, integration, and alignment with the highest self and the divine. Embracing the twin flame journey with an open heart and mind can lead to a union that transcends the physical plane and aligns with the true essence of the soul. As you embark on this journey, remember to be patient and gentle with yourself. Trust the process and allow the changes to unfold naturally. The twin flame journey is a beautiful and transformative experience that leads to profound spiritual growth and a deeper connection with oneself and the divine.